I am Annalisa.
I am Valentina, and we are Ambient Sisters.
Hi.
Hello everybody. 안녕하세요 여러분. Yeah, because today we are going to flying South Korea. Flying. Not literally, but with our soul, we flying to South Korea. And we are going to see a video from a group that I don't know. Just YouTube tell me watch it, and I watch it. And the name of the group is Noir.
Noir.
Like black. It's black, right? I don't remember it.
Noir in
French?
French?
Spanish? I don't know.
No, in French.
I'm not so good with other languages, so I don't know. So we have Noir, and the name of the song is Airplane Mode. I'm really curious. 3, 2, 1. I want a dance song, please. 27 September. It's not so old song.
Many members.
Yeah. I like it already. Thank you. He is cute. I want to understand how many members they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8, 9?
Maybe 9. 2, 4,
9,
6,
maybe
9, 10. I think 10. I can't count because so many.
9. I'm sure. 9.
Ooh.
Nice.
It's not so bad. Not so bad. I really like it. I like this type of music, dance and pop and disco.
Thank you, YouTube. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you, YouTube. It's not really an whole song because he's go out in 27 September, so it's not so whole. And
2 weeks.
I really like it. I never hear about this group Noir. It's really new for me, but I really like it. Yeah.
Me too. It's a
She
nine-member.
She liked it.
There are a 9-member, one more handsome than the others.
Yeah, but
and not so young with like
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Like
they are
the
so
age
young.
group.
Yeah. Maybe the younger have 20, 19, but I'm not sure. They are not look so young like the others. Yeah, like from Ace. Yeah, they look more young. And I don't know if I have someone special like bias, my favorite, because we can see clearly the face of all the members. So I don't know, they are all good looking, but the video is so fast, and yeah, we can see the face. Maybe we are going to see another video from them and can focus to
you can see
their face
most clearly the face. And after we judge them, then we, or maybe the other one,
if we have some favorites or something like that.
Okay. Thanks YouTube for this request, and see you tomorrow, like always, sister.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.